How to get rich crypto mining with your computer. Here's my step-to-step guide. First time crypto mining with NiceHash. Let's see how easy it is to get started and start making some money crypto mining. How many bitcoins can I make with my old 4790K GTX 970 desktop? Let's find out. Step 1. Download the NiceHash mining software. Well, you'll need to add some exclusions to antivirus to get it to work properly. Step 2. Install the program, which opens a Windows command box every time you start mining. Step 3. Create an account with NiceHash, and you only need an email address to get started. Step 4. Log in, and you need to benchmark your computer's CPU and GPU, which is basically just takes about a minute. Runs like a benchmark on it for a minute to calculate how profitable it is to mine on it. And here it's benchmarked my CPU but not my GPU because apparently it's too old. They stopped allowing GTX 970 to be used, but it accepted my 4790K, so let's mine with that. And step 5, start mining. This opens a Windows command prompt box. Looking at it, doesn't ramp up usage of the processor too much, not to maximum, maybe around 60% once it settles down, with temperatures around the low 50s, so it's not hot, which means I can continue to use my computer whilst it's mining, and so can you, so it doesn't completely take over your computer, which is good. So let's see how much it earns with one rig active. Just the CPU, given the GPU is apparently too old. And after all that, here's how much I made: 8 satoshis. But unfortunately, you need, I think, about 1,000 before you can cash out. So I definitely need a new GPU, something a lot newer than a 970, something like a GTX 3080, because this 4790K going to cost me more in electricity than it earns in crypto. And in fact, I did order a new computer, a 5950X RTX 3080 system, early January, which should be coming in about another 10 days time, and then we will see how much that system earns. And going by a calculator I've used, it should earn roughly about $7 to $8 per day profit, which is a lot, $8, 30 days, $240 free money per month. Although that's if you run 24/7. I'm not going to run it 24/7, obviously. Anyway, that is how to easily get started crypto mining with just your desktop or laptop with NiceHash. It's easy, just follow the steps in this video, and like me, first time crypto mining, and this is how you do it with your existing hardware. Obviously you need something a bit more powerful than I've got to actually make a profit, or something at least, I'd say an RTX 2060, at least that, or if you can get one, RTX 3060 upwards. The more powerful the GPU, the more profitable the mining, and definitely not more profitable than using a CPU. The 4790K is only a 4-core 8-thread CPU. When something like a 3080's got how many cores? I think it's about 8,900. 8,900, what do they call them? GPU cores, tensor cores, I don't know, scalars, something like that. So there's no comparison. He'll easily earn 1,000 satoshis. I don't really know how long, but it won't be like this. I could let this run for a month and it won't earn, be able to earn anything. So there's no point in me using this for mining until I get my new hardware. Obviously 3090 RTX 3090 is the best, but that's gonna cost you, though you likely get your money back in less than 6 months. So even if you pay say £2,000 for it in the UK, in 6 months you get your money back. You pay for it in mining. Obviously that's if Bitcoin stays up there around 50,000. If it crashes back to 10,000, then that's it. The boom's over. So all these gold rush, this crypto gold rush out there, might prove short-lived. When people start, obviously supply and demand, the more supply of hardware going into crypto mining, it should resolve in falling prices, because there's more supply of cryptos, not just Bitcoin but all the rest, Ethereum and all that. They should be coming down hard in price. So obviously I'm not buying 5950X RTX 3080 for mining, because I don't think these prices are sustainable. It's a bubble. You have these spikes every couple of years, spike of activity, then it crashes, goes away, then spikes again. I think we've probably seen the peak in this bubble, because given by the demand for mining rigs and all that, the amount of GPUs that have been used for mining, there's going to be excess capacity, which should result in a crash. Anyway, you can try it out for yourself. It's easy, and maybe you still be able to make a profit. Obviously, after maybe even if the crypto's halved in price, you'll still be able to make some money. Maybe just $4 a month on a RTX 3080, but that's still 120. $120 profit. £100. That's still good for just letting your computer run overnight. I'm definitely going to do it when I get my system. Oh, you got 4! 5!
Don't tell me now, don't tell me.
Oh my god, you got so many bitcoins. 6 bitcoins! Yeah! 6 bitcoins, we're rich!
I was in that place!
We're rich! 6 bitcoins, what? 50,000, that's $300,000! Whoa! You got 6 bitcoins. What should we buy with the money?
Computer and a holiday.
Holiday, we can buy a house.
Buy a house. And
$300,000.
I won those.
6 bitcoins. Now, how do we get them?
Play a game?
Are they inside the PS4?
No.
So pull it out and break it.
No. Then buy a new one then.
Yeah, we've got $300,000. We can buy hundreds. So shall I pull it out and break it and get the bitcoins out?
How can I play the game?
What? There's bitcoins in there. Forget the game. I want the bitcoins.
Just get on the PS4, play the game a lot, and then let's break it open.
But there's 6 bitcoins in it. What happened? You turn the power off. Will it go?
Maybe.
Oh. What's happened? Where's our bitcoins? Have we lost them? Because I know you can store bitcoins on the computer, but if it gets damaged, you lose all your bitcoins. Is it like that?
I was in 4th place. Okay.
We've lost the bitcoins, I think. We were rich for a few seconds and we lost them.